Last class we learned about what do you call it as closure property for integers. Is it right? Now let us take commutative property for integers. Integers, commutative property. Commutative property for integers. Now how to do? What is the commutative property for integers? Let us see. So now you know that z integers is equal to 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 etc. 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 etc. This is the set of integers. Now what is this commutative property? I told you commutative property, you have to do the operation either addition, subtraction or multiplication, division by changing the position. If it remains same, if the result remains same, then we says the commutative property holds good under addition, or integers are follow commutative property under addition. So now let us take addition. Under addition, is it right? So what is that under addition? Now let us take any two numbers, 1 and minus 2 belongs to z. 1 and minus 2 belongs to z. 1 plus half minus 2 is equal to 1, plus into minus 2 it is minus 1. Now change the position. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 2 plus 1, minus 2 plus 1 rendered. ಜಾಸ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆಯಿಂದ ಕಳೆದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆಯಿಂದ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋ ಸೈನ್ ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವುದು 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯಾವುದು ಸೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯಾವುದು ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಗೆ ಸೈನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಮೈನಸ್. ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 is these two are equal. So then what? Addition is commutative for integers. Our integers are having follow the commutative property under addition. Is it right? So that is addition is commutative. We write addition is commutative. Next B, under subtraction. Under subtraction. So let us take what will happen. 1 and minus 2 belongs to z. 1 minus half minus 2 is equal to like this. 1 minus half minus 2 means we are subtracting minus 2 from 1. That is 1 minus into minus plus 2. How much? 3 it is. Next, interchange the positions. Change the position. The position change ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Minus 2 minus 1. How much? Minus 2 minus 1. How much? It is minus 3. Is these two are equal? Is these two are equal? 3 is not equal to minus 3. 3 is not equal to minus 3. Therefore, subtraction is not commutative. Is not commutative. Is it? Now let us take subtraction like now take multiplication. ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಏನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಗ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ವೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಅಗೇನ್ ಟೇಕ್ 1 and minus 2 belongs to z. Yes, 1 into minus 2 how much? Plus into minus minus 2 ones are 2. Is it right? Next interchange the positions. Minus 2 and then 1. Is it plus into minus minus 2 ones are 2. Minus 2 equals minus 2. Therefore what? ಇವೆರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? minus 2 is equal to minus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? So better ಬರೀಬಹುದು for all AB belongs to Z, A into B is equal to B into A. Therefore, multiplication is commutative. Multiplication is commutative. Multiplication is commutative. Multiplication is commutative. Next, division. Now take division. What is the division? Again we take 1 and minus 2 belongs to Z. 1 divided by minus 2. This is 1 minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Now interchange positions. Minus 2 divided by 1. This is how much? Minus 2 by 1. It is minus 2. Is these two are equal? Not equal. Minus 1 by 2 is not equal to 2. Therefore, division is not commutative. Division is not commutative. That means, by changing the position, if you conduct any operation, either addition or subtraction or multiplication or division, then we says that is they are possess the commutative property. Okay, we shall take up the next what is called as rational numbers. Now next set is rational numbers. Next set of numbers. What do you mean by rational numbers? Rational number is represented by Q. The number is in the form of P by Q, where P and Q belongs to Z and Q should not be equal to 0. ಏನು P by Q ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆನ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. 1 by 2, 2 by 3 like this. ಆದರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನ 0 ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ನ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Z ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, 0 ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನೀವು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಗೆ 0 ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. ಅದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಗೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಗೆ 0 ಹಾಕಬಹುದು, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. 0 by anything is 0. 0 by anything is 0. ಆದರೆ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 0 is infinity ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಹಾಕೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. So now let us take the first property, what we call it as closure property. Verify closure property. Verify closure property under addition. Under addition. Under addition. So now what is that under addition? Let us take ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಎರಡು rational numbers ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1 by 2 and 3 by 2 belongs to what is called as Q. ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಾನು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಒಂದೇ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ if the denominators are same, you can add, subtract easily. That is, you can add numerators directly or subtract directly. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಒಂದೇ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? You have to take the LCM. LCM ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನು ಒಂದೆರಡು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. So now under addition, 1 by 2 and 3 by 2 belongs to Q. Take 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. How much? 2 is the LCM. Now 1 plus 3, 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are, it is 2 by 1. Is it right? So now under addition we are discussing closure property. 2 by 1 is also belongs to Q. Is it? 2 by 1 is also belongs to Q. Therefore, for R, AB belongs to Q, A plus B is equal to C is also belongs to Q. Therefore, closure property holds good under addition. Is it right? Or rational numbers are closed under addition, we say. The rational numbers are closed under addition. Rationals are closed under addition. Rational numbers are closed under addition. Next method, subtraction ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಇರಬೇಕು ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು q ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಗೇನ್ 1/2 and 5/2 ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು q 1/2 minus 5/2 how much subtract denominator LCM से 1 minus 5 minus 4 1 minus 5 minus 4 2 ones are 2 twos are minus 2/1 minus 2/1 it is also belongs to q adu q nalle irutte no problem therefore subtraction is closed under what subtraction is closed for the set of rational numbers for all ab belongs to q a minus b is equal to c belongs to q therefore what is that rationals are closed under subtraction closed under subtraction third one what is the third one here the third operation under multiplication ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ so what 1/2 and 3/2 belongs to q is it 1/2 into 3/2 equals 3 ones are 3 2 twos are 4 it is also belongs to q adu q nalle ide therefore for all ab belongs to q a into b is equal to c also belongs to q is also belongs to q that is also a rational number therefore rationals are closed under multiplication next division next one is fourth one is division division ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ 1/2 divided by 3/2 1/2 divided by 3/2 ಹೀಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಾವು we should not take the 0 at the denominator 1/2 divided by 3/2 how much 1/2 into ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ it is reciprocal 2/3 how much 2 ones are 2 2 threes are 6 2 ones are 2 threes are 1/3 is also belongs to q take another example here I will take an example here what is that 3/2 and 0/2 belongs to q ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ 0/2 is a rational number because denominator is not 0 now 3/2 divided by 0/2 this will be equal to 3/2 into 2/0 what will happen it was a 6/0 6/0 is not belong to the set of rational numbers 6/0 ಬಂದ್ರೆ rational number ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 0 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಒಂದು 0 ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ therefore division is not closed or we say rationals are not not closed under division. Rationals are not closed under division. Under division. If you exclude 0 from the set of rational numbers, if you exclude 0 from the set of rational numbers, then it is closed. Then it is closed. Therefore, that is rationals are closed under division if 0 is excluded. Not here. Not very. Rationals are closed under division if 0 is excluded. If 0 is excluded, 0 na ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸಹಿತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is what you call it as closure property. We shall take up commutative property for rational numbers. Next property called as commutative property. What is the commutative property? Under addition. Under addition. Addition ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಹೋಲ್ಸಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲದು ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು 1/2 and 3/2 belongs to Q. 1/2 and 3/2 belongs to Q. So what is that? 1/2 plus 3/2 is equal to 2. 3 plus 1 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are, it is 2/1. Next reverse position. 3/2 plus 1/2. 2 is the LCM. 3 plus 1 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2/1. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಕ್ಲೋಷರ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಎರಡನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ನಡುವೆ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಂಬರು ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಥರ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಇದಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. therefore what? For all AB belongs to Q, A plus B is equal to B plus A. A plus B is equal to B plus A. Therefore, what is that? Rationals are commutative property. Rationals have commutative property under addition. Our addition is commutative property. Addition is commutative. Addition is commutative. Next, under subtraction. Under subtraction. Subtraction ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Subtraction. So now what? Say 1/2 and 3/2 belongs to Q. 1/2 minus 3/2. How much? 1/2 minus 3/2. 2 is the LCM. 1 minus 3. It is minus 2/2. 2 1s are 2 2s are minus 1. It is minus 1. Reverse the position. Minus 3/2 minus 1/2. How much? 2. 3 minus 1 2. 2 1s are 2 1s are. It is 1. Is this 2 unequal? Minus 1 is not equal to 1. Therefore, subtraction is not commutative. Subtraction is not commutative. Subtraction is multiplication. So what is that multiplication? What is 1/2 and 3/2 belongs to Q. 1/2 and 3 by 2 belongs to Q. So what? 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. Multiply. 3 ones are 3, 2 twos are 4. Children, is it right? So next, 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. How much? 3 ones are 3, 2 twos are 4. Is these two already the same? Is it right? So therefore, for all AB belongs to Q, A into B is equal to B into A. A into B is equal to B into A. Therefore, multiplication is commutative. Next, under division. Under division. Is that commutative property? What's good? Under division. Division ನಲ್ಲಿ commutative property ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. So for example, say 1 by 2 and 3 by 2 belongs to Q. 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 by 3. Reciprocal limiting, that will be equal to 2 by 6. It is 2 by 6. Next, change the position. This is 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. 3 2s are 6 divided by 2 1s are. Is these two are equal? No. 2 by 6 is not equal to 6 by 2. So therefore, division is not commutative. Therefore, is not commutative. Division is not commutative. So this is how we can verify what is that? Closure property and commutative property for natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. Is it? So now in the next class we shall discuss separately associative property for all these set of numbers. Associative property ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಫಾರ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.